Good morning, children. This is your PE teacher, Mrs. Regina. I'm going to take the theory and I will send the videos and notes. Accordingly, you follow and complete the notes in a 100 pages notebook. Today, I'm going to start with the lesson, Significance of Physical Education. The academic aspects of the school curriculum addresses mental growth, but physical education is an integral part of the total education of every child at different levels from primary through higher school. As you know, children, we have lots of games, sports in our school. What is the importance of the physical education? The important significance of physical education is physical education does neither train up the soul nor body but the whole man. That means in every aspects of the life we are got trained up. That is, physical education is an important for a wholesome development of an individual. Now we'll see what is the goal of learning physical education. It is to develop the individuals who have the knowledge, skill and confidence to enjoy a lifetime of healthful physical activities. So children, when you participate in physical education at school level, it helps you in achieving all-round development. The different or the vivid movements of physical activities not only develop physical fitness but also helps in mental growth. Now, what is the importance of physical fitness? Physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity. How it is personally helpful for a student? Just look at this diagram over here. You get the information as such: increase in personal fitness, develops competence in variety of skills. That means you compete with your skill with the others. Improves overall health. When you have a good nutrition food, you will have a good health. Promotes purposeful physical activity. You will be very active in doing exercises. It also boosts academic learning, supports healthy lifestyle, builds a self-confidence in us. Till now, children, what we have listened, it is all a general information to take from physical education. But if you participate in a systematic way, there are 10 important things to be learned. The first thing is improves physical fitness. That means you are getting improvement in endurance, muscular strength, flexibility of body composition. Secondly, long-term health benefits. So what is the long-term health benefits? It reduces the rates of blood pressure, like high cholesterol, diabetes and heart diseases. Thirdly, helpful in mental development. So mental development means you get a refreshment when you take part in the sports and games and also other activities. Physical education participation promotes feelings of well-being. Now the fourth one, it promotes intellectual development. That is, all these help in improving learning, readiness in other subjects, self-expression and self-confidence are filled in such individuals. Now the fifth point is improve social adjustment. Over here, where it develops the good character and it promotes various circumstances in physical education. The sixth point is provides guidance for active and a disciplined lifestyle. Sports, games and associated activities becomes a part of life and forms basis for disciplined lifestyle. The seventh point is teaches sportsman spirit. Individuals who accept victory and defeat, similarly in physical education, they continue the habit in real life situation. That means when they accept the victory and defeat, they are very bold in facing any problems. The experience from sports, gives them opportunities to inculcate qualities of leadership. The eighth point is unnecessary mental stress can be avoided. That is, excitement in physical activities and sports help students to manage stress. This provides joy to students and provides stress-free student life. That means always you are fixed with books and studies and so much of depression, that when you play you get relief from all these difficulties. The ninth point is gives direction for fruitful leisure time pursuits. That is, sometimes students tend to indulge in antisocial behaviors. So, physical education experiences help in making use of leisure time in a productive way. Students can adopt sports and games as their hobbies. For example, like cricket, football, volleyball, and all helps them to get relief from their other antisocial activities. The last point is provides platform for exhibiting hidden talents. Everyone possesses hidden talents and is continually in search of platform to exhibit them. So, active participation in physical education provides necessary knowledge and experience for career selection. So, each one has a hidden talent among them. So, they find a platform to exhibit that. So, physical education is one of the ways to exhibit their talents. I hope you understood the whole lesson, children. And especially in this pandemic season, you need lots of exercise. So try doing exercises at home. Keep yourself healthy and stay fit. Thank you. Jai Hind.